Hey Gemini, welcome to Archangel Michael Tarot. Thanks for joining me today. So I'll be doing a general reading for you for the month of January 2021. I'll be checking your recent past energies, current situation, something of significance for you in January that's coming your way. Could be challenges and advice from Spirit. I'll also be pulling out a single card from the Wisdom of the Oracle deck as a message from the universe. Okay. So this is a general reading and will not resonate with all of you Geminis. But if that happens, please check your other placements. Okay, so with that and the prayer, let's get started. So I'll pull out an overarching message for you for January 2021. Angel, Spirit Guides and Archangel Michael, please give me an overarching message for Gemini for January 2021. This is regeneration, okay? Rebirth and regeneration. So this is the overarching message for you. I think I'll pull out one more card because I think this card fell out too soon. Alright, so let's get one more card. Time to go. Time to go. Okay, I think these two cards connect each other well. So let's see. So now let's get into the tarot reading. So your messages for January 2021. Let's see if it resonates with you, most of you guys. Okay. All right. So I've already shuffled the cards, but let me cut them for you. Recent past energies for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. These are general readings, but could lean to anything significant that you find yourself in. All right, so let me get your recent past energies. So what were Gemini going through in the recent past? I'm not very good with shuffling, so alright, in the recent past you've got the Nine of Swords and the Three of Wands. Okay, looks like you were going through a stressful period and that you were waiting for something. Okay, so in the recent past, Nine of Swords and Three of Wands. Now in the current situation for Gemini, Strength and the Empress. Something of significance for you. Okay, everything coming out in doubles. Okay, something that's coming your way is Death and the Seven of Wands. Death and the Seven of Wands. Your challenges for this month. The Knight of Pentacles. And your advice from Spirit. Page of Wands. Let's get the clarification cards, okay? So in the recent past, I think, see, the whole reading speaks about you having to go through something stressful, but having put in your hard work, you're waiting for some sort of a change, waiting for something to come into you. Current situation, I think you are gathering all your mental strength and fortitude, and you're being the Empress at the moment. If you take it for energies can be fluid, energies can reverse. So if it is something or somebody who you're relating to, then that could also matter. Okay. So currently you are in this Empress energy, or you are dealing with somebody who, speaking of the Empress, the Emperor has fallen out. But what I'm saying is, you're trying to be very strong mentally. You are on your own and you are not looking at what is pulling you down. Okay, you are above all that. And in your something that's coming your way is somebody is resisting transformation though. Okay. So, your challenge is a delay in something or a planning with related to something, and your message from spirit is the Page of Wands. So let's get the clarification cards. First, for the recent past energies, why is the Nine of Swords and the Three of Wands here? So what is that? What is it that you guys have to go through? Alright, I don't know if this card wanted to come out in the reverse, but it's the Eight of Wands over here. So basically, I think you wanted to take action on something, but you were kind of waiting, waiting for somebody to take action or you to take action yourself. The Four of Cups. Obviously, something was troubling you, and it could be a loss or a perceived loss. Okay, the Queen of Cups. So it could have been a Scorpio that you are dealing with, or you yourself have Gemini in your chart. Sorry, Scorpio in your chart. So you had that kind of a hope, and whatever happened could not drain out your spirits or your whatever you felt emotionally. Okay, but you were upset and you wanted to take action on something, and you were waiting for something to come in so that you can break out of whatever it was that was troubling you. And rightly at the moment you are in the Empress energy, but let's get clarification cards. So the Empress stands for somebody who is very independent but nurturing, very financial. Okay, Ten of Cups. So probably it's a family situation. The King of Pentacles, Ten of Cups and the King of Pentacles. Let's get one more. So Five of Swords. So probably you got entangled in a situation or a toxic situation wherein you were not getting what you wanted. This is a family situation, obviously, because if the Empress shows up and the Ten of Cups. And there is this King of Pentacles, probably somebody who you're dealing with who is basically a very generous and stable person, or you yourself are in this energy. But something that was a happy thing for sure. You are an Empress. So I'm sorry about this. This is a current situation. In a happy family situation with a King of Pentacles, but there is something toxic that is going on. Okay, so this enables you or asks of you to be in your mentally very strong and stable. Okay, and there is happiness, but it was something that you dealt with in the past. There is this toxic energy somewhere over here hanging around. Okay, but you're basically coming above it all. Okay. And there is something that you feel the need to let go of. Okay, let's see what that is. But something that is coming your way is the Death and the Seven of Wands. So possibly a change is coming. So many of us are going through a lot of changes. So and we have this habit of resisting whatever it is that is being transformed. So this is happening in your case, or going to happen in your case for January, okay? But let's get clarification cards for this as well. So obviously a happy family situation wherein you are the Empress, but okay, Lovers. Could be more than one person involved in a relationship situation. Seven of Cups. See, there is choice. So somebody is looking at choices possibly, or you are getting confused. Strength card again. So somebody is probably facing a situation in which they are dealing with two different people or more than one person, and there is choice and you are resisting. You know intrinsically who it is and what it is that you want, but there is a lot of resistance going on either from that person or you yourself. Okay, so this is probably what is troubling you. Now the challenge in your way is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so there is very little. So when the Knight of Pentacles is in the challenge position, I guess there is not enough focus, there is not enough patience, or not enough planning. Something is not very stable, okay. The trust fact, there is a lack of trust possibly also in things that are going to unwind, but let's see what this is about. So somebody clearly has options over here, and they want to leave a particular situation, but they are stuck in another, okay. Could be a relationship, Six of Swords. So challenge is probably somebody cannot move. They are stuck in something, you know. They cannot plan, or they cannot make a movement. Let's see. Eight of Pentacles. So somebody really does want to make some sort of action. Two of Swords, confusion, okay. So even if there is a lot of desire to take action on something, and they are, whoever is involved in this, it could be you, it could be them, you're trying to move, you're working on it, but there is delay, okay. And the Two of Swords indicates blindfoldedness, you know. You're not seeing what things for what they are, and you're struggling to make a decision, you or whoever is involved. Clearly, you know, there is a need to move on. You or someone else needs to move on, or they are struggling to move on. They've already started the journey, but they can't. Now, the advice from Spirit is the Page of Wands, which is a new beginning, okay, and towards new stability, okay. Somebody is looking for new, what do you call it? A refreshing of opportunities, justice. Okay, so somebody is basically moving away very clearly, looking for separation or legal matters to aid the separation. Okay, let's get two more cards over here. I think this wanted to come out. The Queen of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles we already had pulled out. Is this an earth sign that you're dealing with? The Three of Swords, heartbreak. Okay. So in order to avoid, there is clearly separation, okay. There are separation cards, Three of Swords, Six of Swords, then there is Two of Swords is not separation, but it's basically choosing between alternatives. And the Oracle card says time to go. So obviously, Spirit's advice is to, you know, take stock of the situation, do what is just, possibly a legal situation. You know, whatever it is, ensure that things are moving, you know, in a stable manner, and do not be worried about heartbreak, okay, because some things do change, even relationships. See, under the deck we have the Wheel, okay, so there is change, obviously, okay. So you need to move on, Gemini, or somebody else is trying to move on, don't stop them, okay. Or if you need to feel, you have a feeling that you need to move on from a situation, then you have to do it. So regeneration is rebirth, and time to go obviously means that you have to leave a situation. I don't know what this is, but please be the Empress that you are, and please allow natural changes to come in. Don't try to control situations, okay. So this is what I have for you. I hope it resonated with you guys, and do let me know in my, write to me. I have my email. I have closed off comments, but if you feel there are significant changes, do let me know, okay. Thanks, and have a wonderful 2021. Have a wonderful January, okay, and I'll see you next time, okay. Bye bye.